Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, it is another Falling for Fall episode, and today we're talking all about fashion. I'm gonna be sharing some of the fall fashion pieces that I recently picked up, as well as a couple pieces that I am in love with for fall that I've purchased like a few years prior and I pretty much wear every single year. So if you are in the mood for some fall fashion, you need some fall fashion inspiration, then please just keep on watching. You guys, when I tell you I have tried the baggy jean trend relentlessly, I have purchased so many different pairs of jeans trying to find the ones that fit me the best. I have had 2 kids, so I can't just put on any jean and it look good, especially from the side. Like things have definitely changed over the years, okay? So it's really important for me, if I'm gonna try to wear a baggy jean, it kind of has to be fitted like around the butt area and the hips, and especially the waist. These Aritzia jeans, you guys, I'm telling you, they're the perfect amount of bagginess. It's not too baggy. I don't even know. Technically on the website, they're labeled as baggy jeans, but me personally, I would call these more of like a wide leg, looser fit. They're so comfortable. They're so flattering. They're tight around the waist. I just absolutely love them. I am 5'2.5", and these jeans are the perfect length for me as well. They're a little bit like, they're not too long, they're not too short. They're honestly perfect. They come in a bunch of different washes. I had the one that's like blue indigo, and then I think just like true blue, I'm pretty sure. I'm in love with them. I feel like fall, and especially this transition time in between summer and fall before it gets really cold, jeans are perfect. You could wear them with t-shirts. When it gets super cold, you could wear them with sweaters. It's just an overall great fall basic. Okay, next up are these Spanx sets. I'm in love with them. I'm actually wearing a pair of the wide leg pants right now. This is an angle if I've ever seen one. I love them. They are so incredibly soft. If you know me, then you know I go to the chiropractor twice a month, and when he was cracking my back, he was like, whoa, that sweater is really soft. I'm like, yeah, it's Spanx. Get into it. Okay, use my code. So they sent me this set, but even before that, I have been obsessed with them. Like, they're just so incredibly soft. The material is thick, so I think it's perfect for fall, but it's still kind of lightweight. It's not too thick where you're going to be sweating, but it's nice to lounge around in if you work from home. Even if you're just running a quick errand, I feel like you could dress this up and make it cute. I would probably wear this, and I have worn this with sneakers and even Birkenstocks. Like a slide clog would look really cute. It's a quarter zip, which I think is just really elevated. There's something about a full zip up sweatshirt that is really casual, but if you want that to be a little bit more elevated, a quarter zip is just very chic. I love the collar. Like, everything about it is so nice, and my favorite is the black color. I do have a code. I can't remember it off the top of my head. I think it's just like Cara X Spanx. I don't know. I will have it listed down below. I'm pretty sure it's either 10 or 15% off, so definitely check that out. Okay, next up is statement and bold belts. You guys, during the fall, we're wearing a lot of pants. We're wearing a lot of jeans, trousers, and I feel like a belt is just the perfect piece to add to those. I am such a belt girl. I'm just such an accessories type girl. So for me, having like a bolder belt just really enhances the outfit, because I'm definitely one to wear like a plain t-shirt, I mean clearly, and then like plain jeans. So I have to give my outfit some interest and some texture some type of way. So I like to do that by adding like a bolder belt, something with like a chain detailing, a really cool texture, a really cool like embellishment. I have these 2 belts. One is YSL, was a birthday present from Rob. It's a YSL belt. It's like a vintage belt. It's gorgeous. Then the second one was a birthday present from myself. I got myself this belt. It was an early birthday present. They were having like 50% off. I'm pretty sure I got this, like, it might have even been like 60% off because I was able to double up on coupons. Anyway, it's by DeHanch. I absolutely love it. I love the ring detail, the mixed metals. Like, it's just gorgeous. The YSL belt actually, now that I think about it, is mixed metal as well. I just think they're so beautiful. It adds so much without having to do a lot. I know for me, I don't want a bunch of like printed tops and statement tops and this blouse. I just would rather have like 5 basic tops, 5 basic bottoms in various colors, mix and match, and then add jewelry to really make it unique and special. Okay, and I know people say don't wear white after Labor Day, but I don't know if that applies to like accessories and shoes. Does it? I don't know. Isn't winter white a thing? I feel like it's very chic. These white sneakers, they're by Converse. I'm pretty sure they're like the all-star sneaker, something like that. They're a platform sneaker. Every girl needs this. Every girl needs this in their closet. Just a plain, either a leather sneaker, just a plain white sneaker that you can wear with trousers. You can wear with a wide leg jean. Even in some cases, you could wear with like a skirt or a dress. These are just the perfect shoe. I'm gonna link a bunch of different options. I'm gonna link everything that I can. You just need a basic neutral sneaker. You can have flats, you can have boots. An athletic sneaker can only go with like certain things. You know the vibe. Like you just need a clean sneaker to wear when you're running errands. It's maybe a little bit too cold, too windy to have a flat, but not cold enough for a full-on thick leather boot. So that's when a sneaker comes in. I absolutely love these. They're so comfortable, you guys. The platform, it feels like slippers. I'm not even exaggerating. They are the most comfortable sneaker next to my New Balances. But again, the New Balances are an athletic sneaker. So next to those, they are the most comfortable sneaker that I own. I love them. Okay, and I kind of mentioned this before, but I have to talk about these specific trousers. I have bought 4 pairs of these trousers, which I know is crazy. When you click the link and see the price, don't say anything. I know I lost my mind. Okay, we're not going to talk about that. I needed them in almost every single color that they come in. I think I'm missing the red pair, which I just don't think I would wear red trousers that often. And I'm also missing the beige pair. I mean, I feel like if I have 4, I might as well go ahead and get the beige and have 5. But anyway, these are the perfect trouser. They cinch the weight. There's a single like pleating detail. It's so lightweight. It's so comfortable. They're so like wide leg. I would consider this to be even a little bit baggy-ish, but I feel like they're very flattering. They're so comfortable. I can wear them working from home. I can wear them out. I can dress them up. I can dress them down. I can wear them with t-shirts. These trousers are my perfect trouser. They fit amazing. It's like I said, it cinches in the waist. I feel like it's very flattering on me. They are from the Frankie Shop. They're the Tansy trouser. I will try to link a bunch of dupes as well. I just really like them. I think they're really flattering. Again, like I said, I really gravitate to more plain-ish outfits and then adding a little bit of razzle, okay? Adding some razzle dazzle, a little brooch, some accessories, belts, jewelry, hats, glasses. Like that's just my vibe. And these pants are a perfect wardrobe staple, especially for fall. Okay, speaking of accessories and jewelry, bags, hats, and shoes, this Coach bag, the Brooklyn, I think it's just called the Brooklyn bag. I bought this either last year or the year before. I think it was last year, and I'm still not sick of it. Thank God. I love this bag. It's so large. It's so slouchy. It just adds so much to an outfit without doing the most. I'm sure you've seen this everywhere, or at least this style bag everywhere. I know this season they came out with a suede version and a different print. It's like a black, not checkered, but I don't know. It kind of looks like that. I'll try to pop up some images. And I just think this bag is gorgeous. I love it. I am pretty sure I have the biggest size. It fits everything. And I think it's perfect for fall because something about a big bag just feels cozy to me. It feels like, oh, it's cold. I need a big bag. It's going to kind of help keep me warm, even though it's not at all. But that's the illusion that it gives. It gives very like appropriate for the fall weather. In summer and spring, you don't want a big bag. It's hot. You're sweaty. You don't want a big leather bag. But fall, you do. You want that. It also comes in suede, which I think would be gorgeous, like a brown suede for fall. That's nothing revolutionary, but it's just appropriate for the season. Okay, and more accessories, you guys. I have been obsessed with blue light glasses. I don't know what it is. I own prescription glasses. I also have contacts. I will put my contacts in and put the blue light glasses on top. I don't care. I could just wear my normal optical like prescription glasses, but I like the idea of blue light glasses or like fake glasses because I can have my contacts in and I can switch out the different styles. I just really like them. I think they add something very like studious to the outfit. To me, it's very fall vibes to have your glasses on, you're reading a book. Something about it just is very academia. It's very, I'm going to the library on a cold fall crisp morning. I have my hot coffee with me. I'm reading a book. Maybe I'm studying for an exam. It's very like collegiate. I don't know. I love the look of glasses with a sweater, with your jeans. Okay, are you picturing the vibes? Are you picturing the outfit? It's just very chic, studious. I'm an educated woman. I have my glasses on. I just love that. I'm very, very into that. So I picked up a couple from Amazon. I also have one that's a little bit more expensive from Elisa Johnson. You have to let me know if you've heard of her brand. It's Black owned. It's gorgeous. You can get her glasses obviously on her website, but on Saks as well. So beautiful. But then I also have a pair from Fashion Nova. So it's all about balance. I love switching them out. I feel like depending on the outfit, I need a different pair, and I just love a look with glasses. Okay, next up is bomber jackets. They're everywhere, especially this time of year. Again, it's nothing new, but I feel like again, it's just a wardrobe staple for fall. It just adds something. You have your jeans, you have your basic tee, you have your bomber on top and like a statement belt, your white sneaker. Honey, that's the look. You don't need anything else. I just feel like it adds something. You could switch up the bomber too by adding like a brooch on it, getting them in maybe 2 different neutral colors. And I just feel like it's so chic. I also think it's really flattering because if you get a cropped bomber, it kind of cinches in your waist a little bit too and gives you that hourglass shape. That is something I strive for. I try to have all my outfits with a cinched waist. I just think that looks the best on me instead of like super baggy clothes. I love things loose fitting, but the waist has to be cinched. Either I'm putting my own belt on it, comes with a belt, it's a bomber that cinches you anyway. I just feel like that's really flattering. Okay, sticking with jackets, a trench coat. I picked up this trench coat from H&M and I'm pretty sure I got it like maybe like 2 or 3 years ago. I love it. I'm honestly thinking about taking it to a seamstress or the tailor and having them hem it a little bit, just because like I said, I'm like 5'2" and a half, 5'3"-ish, so pretty short. So the trench coats that are sold online, like the standard size, is very, very long, especially on me. So I might hem it, but I absolutely love trench coats for fall, like a classic wardrobe staple. I love having it open. I love even wearing a matching set, having a trench coat over top. Okay, your suede bag, that is just so stylish, so quintessential fall. I also have been loving the idea of a cropped trench coat too. I think that could be really cute with like jeans. I feel like I've seen something like this on J. Crew's website, like a cropped trench, but I could be wrong. I'm gonna link some options down below. I think that's chic as well. Okay, and next up are quality t-shirts. You guys, I have been on the hunt for the best t-shirts. I think I found it. I only have ordered one from Mango. It's like a heavier t-shirt. I love a cotton t-shirt. I love something lightweight, but sometimes after the first or second wash, those t-shirts are never the same. They're kind of flimsy. They lose shape and it almost looks, I don't know if juvenile is the right word, but there's something about it that's just like not elevated enough for what I'm going for. This Mango one, it's almost like a heavy weight t-shirt, so there's some thickness to it and I love it. So far, I have not washed it. I have only tried it on, but when I put it on, it fit perfectly and it was the perfect weight that I wanted. It's not too thick where it's like, okay, we're getting into sweater material. It's a perfect medium in my opinion, so I'll definitely be on the hunt for more elevated basic t-shirts that are not just frumpy and loose fitting. So yeah, you guys, those are all of my fall fashion must-haves, some things that I bought in the past that I definitely plan on wearing this year, and some new things that I have added to my closet for fall. You have to let me know what you're shopping for if you're on the hunt for fall boots, a fall bag, whatever it is. I'm going to link my Like to Know It collection. It's basically like a storefront where you can shop all of my fall fashion finds in one place. So if you're in the mood to online shop, highly recommend recommend clicking the link. I hope this was helpful. I hope you're enjoying this Falling for Fall series. If you are, please be sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload. And all of my fall fashion ideas, we will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.